So much fun. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I'm just watching you.
Look at this kitty cat. Oh, my throat hurts. I just need to go get a drink.
Okay.
Look at that snail.
Okay, man. Just check the snail out. Just gonna get a drink, guys. What the fuck? What the fuck, guys? Shit, let me go check this out. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, God. Oh, shit. That was just nothing, guys. Let me go back in the front room and see what happens. Sorry about that power cut, guys. It was really scary. Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry, man, my friend just came up into the room. Oh, he's just gone out for a second. And, I don't know where he's gone. I don't know where he, has gone, but I think, the power went out and I think he's dead and I don't want to go check it out. It's really scary. What the fuck? Did you see? I swear I see something in the corner of my eye. No. Oh, it's some freaky shit going on. And then you pick it up with your...
You're gonna die in 7 days if you don't subscribe.